basically, front side would be over here. Obviously, the prop on the front. That's where the intake would be on a King Air, Kodiak, TBM. Air box comes through here, comes into the plenum. The light blue represents the ambient air, basically. We're bringing that into the axial compressors. 4 stages of axial, 1 stage of centrifugal. When it hits that centrifugal, we're changing the direction of the air because we're coming in this way. Now we want to sling it out. That first hole right at the edge of that centrifugal represents where the air is slinging out. These represent what we call the fishtails or the diffuser ducts. That's going to slow the air down pressure is going to increase as it enters this chamber. At that point, the air is forced into the combustion liner, which is, there's 14 nozzles, fuel nozzles on the bottom, go all the way around, that are lighting off. Gases are expanding, right? We got explosion, we got an open fire with expanding gases. That air is going to it's going to take the path of least resistance. Doesn't want to go this way because we got higher air pressure on this side. We got just resistance of the turbine blades on this side. It's going to go path of least resistance. It's going to go through this first CT blades or CT wheel, which is compressor turbine, and at that point this becomes one self-contained engine, right? It's a gas generator. It basically contains itself running. Doesn't need anything else other than fuel and the compressed air that it's self-generating by driving the turbine. At that point, the air exits there. We want to extract whatever energy is left from that, which goes through the 2 PT blades, PT discs, power turbine, driving this shaft through the dual planetary reduction gearbox and up to the prop shaft, down to about 1,700 RPM, 2,000 RPM, matters on the application. These wheels here, you're talking high 30,000s probably, and about 40,000 on the CT. I mean, that's basically the principle of
What's the
a
typical length of the blade that goes on the prop?
Typical length on it could vary. That's all airframe, right? I mean, you know, and it could be as short as probably 42 up to 50,000, right? It's variable on installation, high wing, low wing.